Welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let us read 3-letter CVC words which are connected to nouns. Children, can you see 4 buckets here? Each bucket represents a person, place, animal, and a thing. So now a person can look like this. A place is anywhere we go to. Animals are of different kinds. And we use different things in our daily life. Let us read CVC words and categorize them according to the names mentioned on the bucket. Here we go. Cat. Cat. Does this look like a place? No, it's an animal. Bat. Oh, it's the flying bat. Oh, this should be an animal. The next one is hat. I think hat is something that you wear on your head. And this is a thing. Lovely. Very good. Let's move on to the next word. Mat. Oh, I have a mat in my house which is near the door. Good guess. Well done. Let's move on to the next one. Pat. What is pat? Is it a person, place, animal, or a thing? No, it's an action. Oh, the man is patting the dog. So it's not a person, not a place, not an animal, and not a thing. It's an action word. Rat. Have you seen a rat? Oh yeah, this looks like an animal to me. Yes, my answer is right. Next. Dam. Have you seen a dam? Yeah, the place where the water flows heavily. Yeah, it's a place. It's a place. Yeah, it's a place. Jam. Oh, my favorite. I think this is an animal. Oh my god. Is it a thing? Yeah, it's a thing that we eat. Ma'am. Oh, I love my ma'am. She's so nice. And she's a person. Can. Oh, I've seen this. It's not an animal. It's not a place. It's a thing. Ran. Ran is not a person. It's the action done by a person. So, it's an action word. It's not a naming word. Well done, kid. Now it's your turn to find out whether the word is a person, place, animal, or a thing. Get going. All the best. Well done, kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.